Welcome to our channel, viewers. Today we'll discuss about approval for MNCs provided by government MNCs, granted approval for deploying advanced train collision. Avoidance system on Indian Railways. In a historic move, the Indian government has granted approval to two multinational corporations, Siemens AG from Germany and Kyosan Electric Manufacturing Co. from Japan, to deploy the automatic train collision avoidance system known as Kavach on the Indian Railways. This marks a significant expansion of the initiative, which was previously undertaken by three Indian companies, Meta Servo Drives, HBL Power Systems, and Kernex Microsystems. Deployment expansion. The deployment of the Kavach system is a significant step forward for Indian Railways. The system is expected to be installed on over 6,000 locomotives and 25,000 route kilometers of track over the next 5 years. This will make Indian Railways one of the most technologically advanced in the world. The deployment of the Kavach system is being funded by the Indian government. The government has allocated Rs 20,000 crore, US $2.5 billion for the project. Technology overview. The Kavach system is an indigenous Parti technology developed by the Research Designs and Standards Organization, RDSO. The system uses a combination of GPS, radio communication, and sensors to track trains and prevent collisions. The Kavach system is designed to work in Indian conditions. The system can operate in all weather conditions and on all types of terrain. Recent progress. The Kavach system has been successfully tested on several sections of Indian Railways. The system has been found to be effective in preventing collisions. In 2018, the Kavach system was used to prevent a collision between two trains on the Northern Railway. The system detected that the trains were on a collision course and automatically applied the brakes of the lead train. Future plans. Indian Railways is planning to expand the deployment of the Kavach system to its entire network. The system is also being considered for use on high-speed rail projects. Indian Railways is also working on developing the next generation of the Kavach system. The next generation system will be more Xian-Jin-Day and will be able to prevent collisions in a wider range of situations. Conclusion. The deployment of the Kavach system is a major milestone for Indian Railways. The system is expected to make Indian Railways one of the safest railways in the world. Next generation Kavach. The next generation of the Kavach system is currently under development. The next generation system will be more efficient and will be able to prevent collisions in a wider range of situations. The next generation Kavach system will use artificial intelligence, AI, to identify and mitigate potential hazards. The system will also be able to communicate with other trains and infrastructure to avoid collisions. The next generation Kavach system is expected to be deployed on Indian Railways in the next 5 years. Benefits of Kavach. The Kavach system is expected to have a number of benefits, including 1. Reduced risk of collisions. 2. Improved safety for passengers and railway employees. Increased efficiency of rail operations. 4. Reduced costs of accidents. The Kavach system is a significant step forward for Indian Railways. The system is expected to make Indian Railways one of the safest and most efficient railways in the world. Additional information. For more information on the Kavach system, please visit the RDSO website, https://rdso.indianrailways.gov. In View section, JSP, Lang 0 and AMP, ID, Euro 2 Seung Sin Shige 69 Hang Sin Sin 67U 722. For more information on Indian Railways, please visit the Indian Railways website, https://indianrailways.gov.in. 3. Thanks for watching.